Dostoevsky stood in front of a firing squad at 28 years old. He heard his death sentence read aloud. He watched the man beside him get tied to the post. Then a rider arrived with a pardon from the Tsar. The whole execution had been staged, but something in Dostoevsky had already broken open. In those final seconds, time had stopped. Every detail became unbearably clear. Every breath felt like a gift he hadn't earned. He never forgot that feeling, and it changed everything he wrote. His ideas about free will, suffering, and human dignity weren't built in a library. They were forged in the space between a loaded rifle and a last breath. That's what makes his work different. He didn't reason his way to those truths. He lived through them. Most of us are waiting for the right moment to start taking life seriously. Dostoevsky learned in front of a firing squad what the Stoics spent lifetimes teaching. This moment is the only one you're guaranteed. Don't wait for the rider.